In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete saved videos on TikTok. First of all, launch open TikTok application. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So whenever you like any video and if you want to save it, you can simply tap on the bookmark icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now that particular video will be saved. So if you want to delete it, what you can do is simply tap on the bookmark icon again. Now this will be removed from the saved videos. So for the other videos that you saved earlier, what you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you can see the bookmark icon. So tap on it. You'll be able to see all of the saved videos over here. So simply tap on the saved video that you would like to delete from here. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular TikTok video will be opened. So in order to unsave it, tap on the bookmark icon again. If you want to delete all the saved videos, follow the same process for other videos as well. So like this, you'll be able to delete the saved videos. So that is how you delete saved videos on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.